In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram Reels thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. If you want your reel to look more polished and attract more attention in the feed, changing the thumbnail is a simple but very useful step. The thumbnail is the cover image people see before they tap on your reel, so choosing the right one can make your content look more intentional and on brand. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and go to the Reel Creation area. From there, click on Create Reel. This opens the Reel Composer, which is where you'll upload your content and make basic adjustments before publishing. If you're managing content for a business or creator account, this is a convenient place to prepare everything in one workflow. Once you're inside the Composer, click on Add Video. This is where you'll upload the Reel video you want to use. Make sure you select the correct file from your computer, especially if you're working with multiple versions of the same video. It helps to have your final edited reel ready in advance so you can move through this process smoothly. After your video has been added, look for the option labeled Upload Image. This is the feature that lets you choose a custom thumbnail instead of relying on an automatically selected frame from the video. Using a custom image is especially helpful if you want to include branded text, a clear subject, or a more eye-catching visual than what appears in the video preview. Click Upload Image, and if prompted again, click Upload Image once more to open your file browser. Depending on how Meta Business Suite displays the upload window, you may need to confirm that you want to add a separate image specifically for the cover. Just follow the on-screen prompt and continue to the image selection window. Now choose an image from your device. Pick the thumbnail image you want to use for your Instagram reel. Ideally, this should be a high-quality image that matches your video content and looks good in a vertical format. If possible, use an image that is easy to understand at a glance, since thumbnails are usually viewed quickly on mobile devices. Once you select the image, Meta Business Suite will apply it as your reel thumbnail. Before moving on, take a moment to preview how it looks. This small detail can make a big difference in how professional your reel appears. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram Reels thumbnail in Meta Business Suite.